that's us next.
That's so cool.
Hi, I'm Robb Zipp, and you are watching The Robb Zipp Show. I've got my friend Jessica with me, and today we are at the Louisiana Tour Company doing a airboat swamp tour. So join us, and let's have the most alligatory adventures. All right, we got to get our tickets in the gift shop. Here is the brochure. We have a little bit of time, so let's check out what they have. You're welcomed by this little friendly gator. Now, there's no guarantee that you'll see an alligator, but you've got this big skeleton celebrating the 4th of July, America's 250th. You need this gator hat. Look at that. Oh, look at this gator hat. That's a fun one. So this is the gift shop. Typical, you know, they got t-shirts, they got alligator skin on the ceiling up there. And of course, all the different little alligator toys you can imagine. They do have hats. I might have to leave with one of these hats. We'll have to see how the tour goes. So we met one of the it won't be quite as loud. So we're getting on the little swamp lady. I'm on a boat. Yay. There's Jason Toombs on the airboat. Here we go. Captain Jason Toombs. We're on the swamp lady. We're on a swamp tour. Is that swamp thing over there? Cemetery.
All the graves have got.
They say how many people are buried at this grave site. They said all of them.
It's bad jokes. That's all I got.
That's why you don't drink in boats. So this is a good place to find some alligators, or perhaps shred. There is an alligator swimming right this way. I think they know their meal ticket's coming. That tail's swishing. Did you get it?
Whoa, he's going on the right.
Definitely seen an alligator. It's not a huge one. There's another one swimming this way. Leaving a wake behind.
Yeah, go ahead, man.
He got some water with that one.
So we stopped at a place. He said there were some coyotes, like a baby coyote, and some of the other guests saw a little baby rat snake, and the tour guide freaked out and backed us out of there.
Yeah.
It's like Indiana Jones. Don't like snakes. There's one right there bouncing. There's one back over there. There's one behind us. There's one right there. Seeing alligators. He threw out a marshmallow. Swimming to it. See the white marshmallow in the water over there. He decided he's gonna let the marshmallow float away. Oh, he threw the marshmallow right at him. He doesn't want marshmallow. He wants human flesh. He's coming for us. He's coming, Jessica. this one is much bigger than the one further back. So more marshmallows. I'm telling you, it wants you to flush.
Alright, both look at you moving down on my car.
There's another one down there coming.
Yeah.
Race for the marshmallows. Got that one. Got that one.
There's 4.
Here comes another one. There's a whole alligator party. He's hand feeding them.
Oh, he wants it. Oh.
It's interesting. It's an interesting way to do it.
Oh, you stuck back up.
One coming in.
Stepping on my-
That's 4 gators? Yeah. There's 4
Alright.
Wow.
Trash pandas. Yeah. He's feeding the raccoons going the long way around.
Coming.
Why is he going way over there?
Where's my McDonald's at?
He doesn't want, he's camera shy.
Did take a long time.
Oh, he's like,
That's not even a good one.
You come back.
He's like, where's it? I want some more marshmallows.
They always want more.
They'll be waiting for the next boat.
They love eating crawfish.
That's the first
too.
time I seen him today, though. So, you know,
He's standing up. Is that, I'm a part of the
I
human.
think that's
Now
a
can I have
she.
more marshmallows?
You can see all the. I think that's definitely a she. Oh, finally see a crane. Beautiful bird. The swamp lady is a little bit more relaxing and a lot less loud. All right, this is the end. If you made it this far, give me a gator in the comments. Where did Jessica go? Where what'd you think, Jessica? Was this your first gator tour?
It was.
Okay.
I like the raccoon. That was really cool.
I love raccoons.
Yeah, that was really cool.
Yeah, we saw a lot of gators. We saw, yeah, raccoon was a bonus. We saw that little heron at the end. He didn't even point that out, but yeah, it was nice. We got the deal on Groupon, not sponsored. I just, like to save money where I can. So it was, I don't even remember how much it was for both of us, but it was not expensive at all. And tip your tour guide, guys. Tip your tour guide. Just a couple bucks. Most people didn't tip. Just give them a couple bucks. That's how they make their living. So we're gonna go to a haunted cemetery and bus tour later tonight. So until then, adieu.